Yes. So, very warm welcome and very good morning to all of you. The It's a pleasure to welcome Pallavi Savle, AG District 3131. Next slide, Prerna. Yeah. Uh, Formal welcome will be done by uh, Rotarian Prerna Gaikwad. So, it is totally informal welcome. Early morning joining it is challenge. But thank you very much, Pallavi ma'am, for accepting our invitation early morning 8:30 to for the session 8:30 to for 90 minutes. I also would like to welcome our members. First, I would like to welcome the board members. Next slide, please. Uh, yeah, I think figure will be better. So, Prerna, let's take run through. So, this is the board. I am presenting the board, and I extend warm welcome to all board members. Without you, perhaps we would have not be this whole year, but particularly 11th month, my president would have not been such lively. So, thank you very much. I also welcome all team members or club members. So, one by one. All are already present in this form. Next. Now I will invite Rotarian Prerna Gaikwad, Secretary Rotary Club Pune Riverside, to introduce and formally welcome past President Rotarian Pallavi Savle, AG District 3131. Over to Prerna.
Thank you, Colonel. Very good morning, Pallaviji, and welcome once again. I was just going through the brief profile that Pallaviji had shared with me, and I was just wondering there is so much that she has achieved. I didn't know what to omit and what to keep, so I'm just going to go ahead with the full introduction so everyone can know what she has done. She has done her schooling from St. Anne's High School. She graduated from Ferguson College with Psychology Special and went to do her master's in Clinical Psychology from Pune University. She has a diploma in Human Resource Management from IMDR Pune and is also an alumni of IIM Bangalore. She has excelled with distinction throughout. She was counseling patients for several years and also gives backflower medicine therapy to patients. She was also the HOD of Jewelry Design at DE Society, JRVGTI, for 10 years. At present, she is managing her family business, Sabre Vagire and Company, which is into manufacturing the famous Sambhaji Bidi. Real estate and construction and manufacture of Windsor biscuits are the allied businesses. She handles general administration, accounting, HR, sales reporting, and part of purchase and audit. She is a very active Rotarian and a major donor. All her family members are Paul Harris Fellows. After being treasurer and secretary and PE in the previous years, she was president of the Rotary Club of Pune Downtown in 2016-2017. She completed 130 projects in that year. She received several awards, including Best President's Award. She was District Chair for Women in Rotary, RI District 3131, in 2017-2018. The district women's membership increased by 2.5% that year. She was in the district chair. She was the district chair for Raila for the year 2018-19. And the district successfully completed 100 plus Raila programs under her able leadership. She was the DRCC last year and also the chair for TRF Zone 4, as well as chair for special events, planning and promotion, and the literacy team. She was instrumental in starting 23 new Rotaract clubs and revived 17 clubs. The Rotaract District 3131 won several awards under her able guidance and leadership. Currently, she is Assistant Governor Zone 3, Region 12. In the coming Rotary year, she will be the District Synergy. She is also the president of WIMA Pune chapter, a women industry and entrepreneurs organization. She is the honorary secretary of ACCIWA Pune chapter. Ms. Pallavi is also part of the Pune Women's Council and the president of the Women's International WIN. She is a multifaceted person with diverse interests and a love for life and people. She has also worked with All India Radio as a program assistant. She likes reading, art, and travel. Her family has a philanthropic background, and her father is on the board of several charitable and social service institutions. She too has been involved in various kinds of social service, like recording text tapes to the blind, counseling, TB and HIV positive patients, work with the Bone Marrow Foundation USA, and gives free counseling and medicines to the poor. This is just a part of what Ms. Pallavi does. A very warm welcome to our club and good morning from all of us. Colonel, back to you.
Thank you. Thank you. Next slide, Prerna.
Thank you so much for that generous introduction, Prerna.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Friends, we will walk through highlights of Rotary year 2020-21, taking 11 months. I will just flag, and whole thing will be presented by club admin team, including me, Sanjay, and Prerna. So we are very happy to share with you, as on date, we have made half century as far as weekly club meeting is concerned. With the today's meeting, it is half century, exactly 50. Sanjeevani Riverside Talk, we have 8. Virtual club fellowship, we have 4. Physical club fellowship, we have 3. During even COVID, overnight fellowship, we have 1. Riverside mega events, we have 4. Riverside Gala, we have 1. Club assembly, we have 4. BOD, we have 4, and 4th is due in this quarter. Joint BOD, we have 1. District 3131 projects, we have done 6. Riverside yearly projects, we have 4. Riverside service projects, we have done 5. Riverside projects which have been done through the resource of Riverside Club is 9. Riverside special projects, we have 7. Riverside FCRA project, we have 1. And global grant, we have 9. So next to next, Prerna. So as I mentioned to you, we are going to present as a team. So smooth sailing through the Rotary year 2020-21. I invite Rotarian Prerna Gaikwad to take you through. So over to Prerna.
Thank you, Colonel. When the year started, everyone was very unsure of what was going to happen ahead, seeing the entire situation. But I think we've gone through the year pretty smoothly. It's been a very good year for all of us. So I'll just take you through snippets of what we have done this year. We've had, as Colonel said, we've completed our half century for club meetings today. It's not a year has 52 weeks, and we've already completed 50 meetings today. We still have 1 month to go. So I think that's a great achievement doing all of this online. This is just a list of the speakers that we've had over the last 11 months. We've had speakers from all over. I think Zoom meetings have had one advantage for all of us, whereas the speakers that we got were not only from Pune, not only from India, but all over the globe, increasing our reach to speakers, getting better talks, and engaging more members all over the world. So this is just a list of what we have done in July. I won't go into all the specific details because I think that will cover more than today's EG visit. This is August for us with fellowships where we had online, where this was the beginning of the pandemic and everyone was really, sitting at home was a difficult thing at that time. Here we have September, a lot of speakers. We had a mega event where we had the Teachers' Day celebration here. We had an evening Antakshari fellowship. We had eminent speakers who came to speak to us. We had our club assembly this month. Next, we move on to October, where again, there were fellowships, board meetings, and a lot of good speakers. I'll just run through these slides quickly. This is December, where we actually had a physical fellowship. We had in November our installation ceremony, which is the first physical interaction with all the members in the entire year. Next week, we had a small Christmas fellowship. Then we had a lot of speakers who came in. It was actually good meeting all the members over here. January brought in a lot of other projects with Sanjeevani, our board meeting. We had our own Rotarian, Dr. Ganesh Natarajan, addressing us over here. This goes to February. We had another member of ours, Rotarian Bharat Nain, addressing the members. Coming through March, April, and where we are in May today with our assistant governor visit as our 50th weekly club meeting of the year. I will hand it back to you, Colonel, for Sanjay.
Thank you. So we have 4 mega events during this year. Just to take you through about all 4 mega events, I invite Rotarian Sanjay Merchant. So over to Sanjay.
Yeah, thank you, Colonel Saab. Good morning, everyone. Like Colonel Saab said, we had 4 mega events. which was the Doctors' Day, the Kargil Day celebration, Teachers' Day, and the Sanskrit Sur Sandhya. Doctors' Day celebration, like it's on the 1st of July. So that was the first meeting we had and the first big mega event starting with the year. 118 doctors were honored. And the best part was during the pandemic, most of our Rotarians went down and personally gave the plaque to the doctors to appreciate.
Next slide,
That
Prerna.
was-
Yeah.
this was a very good thing which was done. And all the doctors appreciated, this is the full, most of the photos are there of the doctors whom we felicitated. And we had a very good talk also by them. And special talk was given by our own members who were past members and who gave a talk. Then the Kargil Day celebration, we had Lieutenant General Shekhatkar, whom to Deepak and me both had gone to his place, and we had a talk with him along with Amaya Dabli, who's a very renowned singer. So we had a good Sur Sandhya along with him. Teachers' Day celebration, like 5th of September. So we had 450 teachers, and our aim totally, through Sanjeevani is to, at least get 15 to 2,000 teachers on board and 10,000 students. So that Colonel Sahab will tell later, but this 450 teachers were honored with physical citations were given. Next. Yeah, this is the list of the teachers. Some of them photos we have already put up. And 6th of November, we had a melodic Sanskrit Sur Sandhya, where Dr. Matanhali, she had come, and she was from Lucknow. So Dr. Shankar Shukla and Matanhali from Lucknow joined us, and they had their musical instruments also accompanied by them. So 4 different locations, everybody was there, and we had a beautiful Sur Sandhya from that. Yeah, next.
Yeah.
Colonel, back to you.
Thank you. So coming on project, first I would like to start with the Pancham project, which was district project, and figure is in front of you. Face mask distribution. In fact, this was through clubs. Rest 4 was from district. So face mask distribution we did 48,750. So many institutions. Happy family kit distribution worth 9,000. Fruit bearing tree plantation worth 6,000. Roof seed for cyclone affected Raigad region 3,500. And donation of beds to COVID care centers. These are the contributions to the district. So district took together and they helped. So this is the Pancham. This is the Pancham project. Next, Prerna. This was the next. Yeah. I'm going to take you through Rotary Riverside projects. So apart from Pancham, we had Happy Hands distribution, 12,500. Face shield distribution, 48,750. Gloves distribution, 22,500. You can see on the pulse oximeter, sanitizer. Image building project also we did with the district. Digital Guru Mantra. This is the district project. So we had 6 district projects. Then smart TV distribution to the Meher, that was done under Global Grant project, courtesy Rotary in Bikrampuri. So 2,25,000. This was for the facilitating the children with for their education. So 2,25,000. And we have one FCRA water harvesting Kohler project, and this is very mega project. So 20,60,000 we'll cover later when it comes. So this is, I'm just flagging. Next. These are some of the pictures. You see we say the Deepak Gupta, and we call nickname DZ. So DZ is always there when he most proactive member of the club admin. We requested him, and he went to. This is the regional mental hospital, Yervada, where he distributed the items for them. This side you can see the TVs and all which has been given to the Maher. And this is the Kolar project to the school. It is basically the water harvesting project. So these are the pictures. Next. This is the certificate digital Guru Mantra. No investment from our side, but 350 teachers participated from outside, and credit goes to Rakesh Relan and Umesh Jalan. In fact, they coordinated with the district, and this was super duper success as far as Rotary Club Pune Riverside is concerned. Next. These are the some club fellowship. As you can see, they started with the in July, courtesy Dali Gupta, Deepak Gupta. Then we have Riverside Fellowship Boat Club. This was the Christmas. Then we have Antakshari, and we have another game theme. So altogether during COVID, we tried to have 4 online fellowship. Then we have three physical fellowship also, in which Niruji was including. We have included. We were not able to meet, so we sent the breakfast to the all members. And for this, Prerna coordinated very well, and we could do it. Then next is yeah, next. This is the very 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 satisfying and enjoying. This was the overnight fellowship for Karla, MTTC Karla, where we have the boating, we have the lot many things. This was very fantastic, very 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 memorable. Everybody liked it. Next. This is the installation. We waited for situation to be normal phase 1, and I'm very happy to thank all members. Almost all members joined that installation. Sorry, Palviji, we missed you. I'm really sorry we missed you for that during that installation ceremony. That was in November. I think that chief guest was S. Shokalingam, Settlement Commissioner, Pune. Next. Club membership growth. This is very fantastic. In fact, when I was going for the target, so I was not very sure. So I put very soft target, only 15%. But I'm happy to share that on 30th June 2020, membership was 29. As on 25th May 21, as on date, it is 35. Addition is of 6th, and percentage of growth is 21%. And the top of it, the most happy thing, retention of members 100%. No members switched. Every member joined and contributed the annual membership fee. So my compliment goes to all the Riversiders. Thank you very much for being with us. Next. These are the other service projects, other category of the service projects. I will take you to the service project 5, which is being headed by Rotary Neeru Goyal, and most of the projects is funding also. It's amazing. I must say, when you see the, it's not only spearheading, it's funding also. So I will take you when I will take that. Special projects we have 7, RILA we have 1, global grant projects we have 9, yearly projects we have 5, and then we have the dream project, Sanjeevani Riverside Talk, which is really, really, really working very well as far as the teachers and the students are concerned. I will take you through and in detail when with next slides. These are the service projects, largely. I'm happy to share. It is headed by Neeru Goyal, and not only the funding is also from Neeru Goyal. 9,90,000. In fact, 10 lakhs. I must say 10 lakhs for this project. 60,000 beneficiary. Then comes Urja. Urja, her own venture, when she has during this COVID for unity and the yoga pranayam. Pragya is one project which is known as Instasala also. For 1,000 children, she has donated 5 lakhs rupees. And through one Dr. Geeta Bora, we have been able to deliver these books and the aid to the students. So beneficiaries are 1,000. Care for Air is a project which has been going on since last so many years. In that, the awareness is given to the night watchman not to burn the wood during. So panchos are given by Rotary Club, courtesy again Neeru Goyal. Then finally is Happy School. When we talk about Happy School, I'm very happy to share. During COVID also we have been able to inaugurate one Happy School. Investment is 6.5 lakhs, and we have good number of Happy Schools, and that is being spearheaded by Rotary Neeru Goyal. So altogether, if I say as a director service project and not only spearheading funding and all those things. So hats off to Neeruji. Our compliments to you. Can we give her a very big hand to Neeruji? Thank you. And this is the picture of the Lardli. Some distribution you can see, and right hand side you can see the Pragya, which is Instasala. The books and the teaching aid has been given to the students. Next. Riverside projects. Now I'm going through the category. First was the service project. Now I'm taking next category. So we have Saksham Yuva Youth Mentorship Project, 2,60,000. Thank to Ganeshji for initiating. Thank to Rakesh for spearheading, and thank to Neeruji for funding. 2,60,000. 40 youth from underprivileged society. They are being trained, and project is on from 1st April. It will be completed on 30th September. These 40 youths will be employed, and these 40 families will be empowered. So hats up to all, Ganeshji, Neeruji, Umeshji for this project. Then comes Sanjeevani Riverside Man Sashaktiva. In fact, the most important thing during the COVID is building confidence, and they taking out teachers and students from depression. We have gone through this Man Sasaktiva. So make the Sasakt Man of the Yuva through Sanjeevani Riverside, and we had talked. Sorry, I missed number 2 as to vaccination and no to ventilator awareness program. It's not only awareness program. In fact, it is complete packet where through this project volunteers are going in the underprivileged society, and this is in collaboration with PMC. They are inspiring them, motivating them, bringing them at hospitals, counseling them, registering them, making sure that they are vaccinated. And not only that, if somebody is apprehending that if I am sick, if I'm having fever, so they are also given dry ration kit. So this project we have taken as a pilot project, and that's going on very well. Thanks to Umeshji for contributing 50,000, and thanks to Anuradhaji for contributing 21,000 on account of this, and something has been from our Rotary Club Pune Riverside. Coming on third, Sanjeevani Riverside, as I say, regularly we are taking the teachers and the students, where our own member, Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhako, he is giving the talk, and he himself is a very great counselor, psychotherapist. So teachers are very happy. We did this session for Calcutta. We did for 50 teachers, and thanks for this coordination is from side of Umesh Jalan. And talk was from Connecting Trust, but now we have discontinued because of certain reasons, and this has been taken replaced by Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku, and he's going to have the talk on 30 and 31st for Calcutta teachers. So that's great project coming up. Financial literacy, digital product, phishing awareness. This has already been done by Rotarian Rakesh Rilan, who is president-elect, and that he did very beautifully. Everybody understood. And 1 minute, Prerna, one more, I think last one. COVID-19 corona precautions and awareness. This was also done, and this was done at the very beginning itself, and that we all were benefited. So these are the projects as far as we will decide this special project. Some glimpses we will run through. Prerna, next. Yeah. So these are the speakers from Connecting Trust, and these are some pictures. And this is the Gyan Bharati Vidyapeeth. They are so impressed. They wrote a letter, and we have put it here for your just to show you. Next. Yes to vaccination and no to ventilator. These are some pics, and we are getting weekly. We are getting the weekly report. And one thing more, I would like to share with the Riversiders. For Riversiders and their immediate family, we have coordinated with them, whether it is 18 to 44 or it is 45 plus, to get vaccinated through this program without prior registration, and coordination is being done single-handedly by Rotarian Prerna Gaikwad. So I will request you all, if you wish to get vaccinated, please contact Prerna. She will coordinate with Praveen. And Praveen, who is in charge of the 19 locations, but we are sponsoring only 3 locations. So he will get it done through all 19 locations. So thanks to Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku to connect with Praveer, and thanks to Prerna and Deepak Bhai to coordinate on the ground. Next slide, please. This is Rotary Club Leadership for Raila project. As I said, the topic emotional wellness and understanding stress, managing stress. This was done by our own member, Rotarian Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku, which is Seva Medal. And thanks to Anuradha to coordinate and manage it. Next. Coming to Global Grant Project, we have 9 Global Grant project, and we have authenticated, submitted, and report to the up to last year recently. For this year, we are also working on, and thanks to Vikramji, Neeruji, Umesh, and our finance team, they are working on this. I know Pallavi ma'am has the question why some of the projects are not being closed. They are almost complete. So, ma'am, I would like to share with you. We are already working on that, and I have already requested Vikram Puriji, who is honorable member advisory board, and he himself is addressing the Global Grant project. So we will be working on that, and hopefully we will be able to close 2-3 projects which are almost completed. Next. This is the details. Next. Yes, these are yearly projects. In fact, Nation Builder Award, NDA visit. These are all for the this Nation Builder Award used to be the signature project which we used to do, but this year because of the COVID we could not do. NDA visit, industrial visit, cricket museum. This was planned for Interact School, but since the school could not open and we could not take, maybe next year. Next. Sanjeev Riverside, it is which I shared with you. It's actually a dream project. It's a flagship project of Rotary Club Pune Riverside, exclusively for teachers and students. Aim to empower them by bringing awareness, imparting knowledge, and equip through skill development on various topics related to them. Talks by eminent speakers being arranged once or twice in a month. Man Sashakt Yuva, emotional wellness and mental health has been linked to this, and our target to benefit 1,000 teachers and 15,000 students by year in 2020-21. This is the Sanjeevani Riverside. Next, we have some pictures. These are some pictures you can see. The speaker is, Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku. Then we have the speaker, our own speaker, Rakesh ji. Then we have the speaker, Anand Takule. He is the passport officer who did fantastic. And we also, this Sanskritic Sur Sandhya was not only for the members, it was for the basically for the teachers and students, and good number of teachers and students joined this. So we are very happy on account of that. Next. These are the speakers on Sanjeevani Riverside, our own member, and very, very great speakers. Back, please. You can see, this money is there. Our own, Neeruji, multifaceted. What to say about her? It's, different level. So evolution towards higher, this was the topic, and it was appreciated and liked by all. So next. Now coming to Rotary International, so I hand over to Rotary Sanjay Merchant. Over to Sanjay.
Yes,
Sanjay
Colonel.
bhai.
Thank you. Haji. Yeah, Rotary International, like Colonel Sab said, we have already contributed 2 lakh rupees. I hope you have we got the receipt for it also. And we are working on converting the full club into a 100% Paul Harris Fellow. We would require some help on that. So we are in touch and we hope to get whatever help we can. Yeah. Next. Fundraisers, we had planned a lot this year, but unfortunately, because of COVID, we have an annual golf tournament, which Aditya looks after. And last 3 years we have been doing, but this year we could not do it because of COVID. We had a marathon also. We had planned that also, but that could not go through. And 2 years ago, we had a concert of storytelling, which had been done very well along with Mercedes. So this year also we had planned, but like I said, because of COVID, we could not go through with that. Yeah, next.
Thank you, Sanjay bhai. These are the requirements of the mandatory requirement of the AG visit and DG visit, and this I got from Pallavi ma'am. So I would like to invite Rotary Prerna Gaikwad to showcase one by one. And if Pallavi ma'am, you want to see the records, she has separate in Excel sheet. She will show here itself. So it's over to Prerna and Pallavi ma'am. So over to Prerna to walk through, showcase the.
Thank you, Colonel. Yeah, these are the standard requirements we need for the assistant governor and DG visit. So, Palvi ma'am, I have all these in a separate folder over here. If you want, I can leave the screen show and show you whatever you need. So we have a club charter, we have the constitution and the bylaws which are already there with us. Our audited balance sheet for 2020 has been done. We are working on getting all this year's accounting also up, which is up to date. We'll get that also done. Our club trustee is present. FCRA registration, we had to do it with SBI again. So that work is in process and is almost done. Our club budget, we are done at the beginning of the year. We are right now at the 11th month. So that is already there with us. We have our district dues, semi-annual receipts, RI dues, our magazine. We have shifted from the actual copy, hard copy, to getting the digital copy for everyone this year. Our club committee plan and goals, as you see, we walked you through the entire presentation. So we started off with a lot of plans. I think almost all of which we have accomplished, except for our fundraisers and a few yearly projects where we take our interact schools out for visits. We've given you the highlights and all the planning that we've had for the year and how we've executed it. The digital uploading of members' data, meeting and service projects, that is about 90% done. I think part of May and June remains to go on, where we have a couple of meetings and projects to upload on the district website, same as with our RI website. And this is our membership status growth. Colonel has already walked you through, where we have a 21% growth and complete 100% retention. We've shown you what is showcased through our service projects, through Pancham, our signature projects, our youth projects, and our RYE projects. Rotary Foundation contribution and global grants also has been walked through by Colonel Mishra and Sanjay ji right now. We've contributed 2 lakh rupees to the foundation, and our global grants 9 are going on, some of which we are going to be closing very soon. Public image activities, we've done some with the district itself, where we had put up hoardings for COVID awareness in parts of Pune, as well as we've been using our YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram very actively to engage to a wider audience. The meetings that we have weekly probably may not reach everyone at one time. So we upload this on our YouTube channel as well as Facebook. So people at any point of time, it's not just restricted to club members and their family, but anyone who visits the page can have a look at all that we've been doing all this while. Club administration, we walked you through right now. Literacy projects also which have been done. Review of goal setting. Actually, this is a little late in the day for that. Our goals have been set, and I think 90% have already been achieved since we're in the 11th month over here. The RI citation
So review of
qualification.
goal setting, Prerna, here means that how much have you achieved according to the goals that you have set?
90%. That's
It's
what
a
I told you.
review.
Yeah, 90% has been done except for our fundraisers and the yearly visits that we have for our Interact schools and the Nation Builder Awards. That unfortunately we had planned to do even the golf tournament, but the corona situation
No,
went
that
out of
I
hand
can
again. Yeah. So that's almost 90% done again.
In fact, we tried a
Participation.
lot for the golf project and all. We had 3 meetings also, but then the corona
Oh,
came
and
in, so we.
yeah, unfortunate. Anyway, you
All
can
the
hold it till it opens up and then you can have it.
Yeah, sure.
next year and our next RI year. So participation in district events and everything. As of now, Rotarian Rohit Jarajani is attending the conference that is going to be coming up. And list
Yeah,
of club assets is
virtual.
basic. Pardon?
It's virtual, so
Yeah,
actually
it's
everybody
virtual.
can attend. It's quite
Our
an advantage for people who would not like to or cannot travel.
Definitely.
You
So
know,
this
the
is
Yes,
just
yes,
a
we
virtual
will
class.
attend.
confirmed.
We will
Yeah,
attend. We will attend.
we will.
Yes.
This is
Yeah,
confirmed participation as of now. The rest,
Ro-
as and when
yeah.
the list comes up, I will update it for you.
Rohit is updating us on all that, every
Okay, great.
time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
wonderful.
So we have our club assets. We have a computer. We have a printer. We have, we have laptop. We have the gavel. We have the president's collar, and we have the club charter, which is framed and put up. And the rest is for you. Point number 15 is for you. And if you want to see anything physically, I can exit my presentation and go to the next folder to show you anything you want.
No problem. The thing is, what we can do is you can send it to me offline and I'll just take a look and
Sure,
just
sure.
it's
That would be
anything.
great.
Okay.
Okay, no problem.
That would be
That
great.
will be perfect.
Yeah.
That will be perfect.
Yeah.
So the floor is open to you, Colonel
Yeah.
and
Yeah.
Pallavi ji.
Yeah. This is after walking through all the presentation and AG's mandatory requirements. We are very eager to now listen, Pallavi ma'am, and we would be looking forward for suggestions also for something. We have still 1 month to go. So over to Pallavi ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Thank you, Colonel. Very, very good morning to all Riversiders. A lot of you are already my friends, and I think that the rest of you are also going to become my friends. I was looking forward to bonding with you more during this year, actually, because all assistant governors have a very, very special relationship with all the clubs that they are associated with. But unfortunately, it couldn't happen because of COVID. And anyways, I was not aware that you all had some physical meetings. I would have certainly liked to join you all in that and chat more informally with each and every one of you. But
Pallavi
that
ma'am,
can always happen.
Pallavi ma'am, we
So
didn't
I
have
look
any.
forward to that.
Pallavi ma'am,
Sorry?
we didn't have any physical meeting, not even a single meeting. We had 3 club fellowship and
No,
one
I thought
installation. No, even not a
uh,
single physical meeting. It's only 3 physical
okay.
fellowship
I
and one
thought you said you
installation,
all
one
had
overnight.
3 physical.
No,
Acha, I
not at
thought
all.
somebody said mentioned that 3 physical meetings. So, anyways, no
Physical
problem.
fellowship.
But I still look forward to meeting all of you all physically because that is something which I think all of you as well as me have been missing. Considering this pandemic situation, I think all of us are missing that physical touch with each other and greeting and meeting and shaking hands with everybody. So I look forward to that. Of course, I would first of all congratulate Colonel Mishra for doing a stellar job as the president, and all of you all have also seen that
Thank you, ma'am.
he
Thank you.
has done a wonderful job in all areas of service of Rotary, whether it is the foundation, whether it is membership and projects. Of course, I mean, all Riversiders are known to be very avid service people, and I know that like Neeru and of course now Prerna joining the gang, and Vikram Puri handling a lot of the global grant projects. You all are doing phenomenal work, and I really appreciate all of that. It is wonderful, and I wish you all the best and hope that you all will continue doing that. And I can see that the whole board is rallying together and everybody is chipping in, and the team members, or rather the club members, are also very, very generous, because without funds no projects can happen. So they are all donating generously, and thank you. I would like to thank them for their generosity and contributing to make this society a better place. And also especially would like to mention that Rotary International itself is struggling for membership, and you all have led the roost to, so as to say, by increasing the membership and by 21%, and 100% retention is really good. It's hats off. I think it's really commendable. And I'm also very happy that you all have participated in all of the district projects very wholeheartedly. So I would again give a special mention and special thanks to Colonel for that, because that was, I think, one area which was a little gray area, which he has covered very nicely. And also, in spite of the pandemic situation, I think that the program committee, I don't know who is the head of the program committee, I would also like to appreciate them.
Sanjay Merchant.
Yeah, Sanjay ji. Yeah, Sanjay ji, because it is very, very important in such a kind of a difficult time to keep the members engaged and to have the assimilation, which I think he has done wonderfully by having 50 meetings and very substantial and good speakers and very nice meetings. And you all have managed to keep the members together, keep their interest in the club together, which unfortunately may not have happened so much in other clubs. But I think that Riverside is leading the way by doing all of this. And Colonel has really taken charge of the club, and he has led from the front. And though he is in America, I can see that he is still very much, his heart is in the club, and he's doing his duty very well, enjoying his grandfathership as well as the presidentship of the club. So congratulations once
Thank you.
again.
Thank you,
I
ma'am.
really
Thank you.
appreciate that. I also would like to appreciate and put on record that all the projects that y'all are doing are really wonderful, and they are very all-round projects, and they're covering so much ground, and making a very, very positive impact on society. Especially a lot of projects which is like the school projects which Neeru is doing, the vocational training. So y'all are concentrating on training the youth and making better citizens, which is a very, very appreciable and commendable job that Riversiders are doing. And I wish you all the best for all the ongoing projects, and also for any new ventures and new projects which you all will be doing. And I like all the plans that you all have also made for the fundraising and all. But of course, hopefully that will happen soon as everything opens up a bit. And only thing one I have, one little suggestion is that if y'all are not sent any children for the virtual RYE, this time become virtual. So if you could recommend, it's easier if people don't want to send their children to travel far away from them. So if you can recommend some of your club members, relatives, or your own children, I don't know what is the age profile of the club, but if your own children or grandchildren or somebody you know that is a very, very good program, and it's become very successful. And our district 3131 has initiated the eRY program. And in fact, the RYE chair, Ashok Bhandari, is the one who is also now on the international panel. And he has taken a lead in initiating this. They were very skeptical how it would happen, but it has become very successful. So RY is for the younger children, but NGSC is New Generation Service Exchange, which is for slightly older, 18 onwards. So for the younger youth, it's like a placement, professional placement. So we have also this time done eNGSC. And in that also there have been some children coming on the exchange from Thailand. And one of our Rotarians himself, I think many of you all may know him, Ram Kutwar. He has a food processing industry, and he's given him a placement in that. So they are doing it very successfully and enjoying, and they are learning. And it's very important, now we have always been doing physical service projects, but the challenge is how can we do some kind of service in these difficult times virtually. So this is the way they have devised good ways of, training, taking advantage of the time when the children are at home and training them without having to travel, the physical barriers, as well as sometimes the cost may be forbidding it's to travel to and fro from countries. So they have tried to make a beautiful combination of that. So I would request the Riversiders to, try to, since y'all are covering all of the projects and all areas of service, why don't you all explore that also? I see that you all have also done a nice Raila this time. So I would suggest that since you all are in touch with a lot of the young members, because you all are doing so many programs and projects for them, you can also add on to your kitty with the eRYE and eNGSC. That is one of my suggestions. Then slightly a little bit of suggestion only, Colonel and Prerna, for the presentation was that it was very nice. But, initially you mentioned special projects, and then later on the explanation of the slides came. A little bit more elaboration about the projects. So you all can club it together. That will save the time also and make it more crisp. That is a little about the presentation. Rest was very nice.
Okay.
And
Thank you, ma'am.
I think that all of the things are working very beautifully. Hopefully, if COVID eases out a bit and more of the physical meetings can happen, then you all can go in for your fundraisers and all the signature physical projects and meetings. And I hope that that will happen soon. And another thing which I wanted to mention was that 100% PHF club, whatever help you require for that, I can have a word with Sanjay ji on that if he calls me, and I can guide, and we can do it in this year itself. And like I said about the Global Grant projects, it's very nice, it's very commendable, because now very few clubs in the district are capable of doing Global Grant projects. So I'm very happy that you all are doing it. But one part which also I have already spoken to Colonel, but since all the members are here also, I would like to express my views on this. See, it is amazing that you all are doing it, because not everybody can do it, because to gather the funds and have the donations to execute the Global Grants is a big job. It's a big task. And I'm happy that Riverside is leading in that. But one other part of it is also the compliance bit. So what happens is, if there's a little bit of delay on our part for the compliance and we don't close the grants on time, it gives a little bad impression to Rotary International. And, overall, the district compliance also goes down if too many grants are open beyond a certain time limit. So if you need any help with that, if any of the grants are stuck somewhere for whatever reasons, I can have a discussion with whoever is in charge of the particular grant one-to-one, and we can collectively try to come to a solution and see that, either it moves forward and you all can disburse the money and make sure that it's all in order, order, or in case sometimes it becomes so that it's possible that that grant cannot move forward for whatever reason. So there is an option of sending that little bit of money back to RI also. Anyways, it's going to get used for other grants worldwide, which is again for a good cause. So no harm in that also. That sort of increases the credibility of the club as well as the district in RI's eyes, and it is right also, because we cannot go on indefinitely with some of the projects, and there obviously there might be some hitches, which is very realistic and practical, that there might be some problems in closing the grants. So together we can try to do that. I'm offering my help, and please come forward and let us try to sort this out and see that everything is in order, and you all can go on to doing more and more bigger and better projects in the future. So I think that you all are doing so great, and I just remembered that little bit of saying which Bhagwan Shri Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita: "Karam kiye ja, phal ki chinta mat kar," and duties come first, and automatically you earn your rights. And like, if you develop the credibility, you will get everything on a platter, and I think that Riverside is doing a great job and doing their job, and कर्म करते जा रहे हैं, so फल तो मिलता ही होगा and मिलेगा ही. And I will just conclude my little take with a small share to remind each of you of your potential, which you must explore, and please concentrate on that. तो आपकी खिदमत में एक छोटा सा शेर पेश है. खोल दे पंख मेरे कहता है परिंदा, खोल दे पंख मेरे कहता है परिंदा, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है, अभी और उड़ान बाकी है. जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी पूरा आसमान बाकी है. जमीन नहीं है मंजिल मेरी, अभी पूरा आसमान बाकी है. So there's lot and lot that Riversiders can achieve and look forward to, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors. Today and always, I am with you for whatever help that you may require. And as you know that next year I am going to be the district director Synergy. So I look forward to helping you with whatever you require, joint meetings, projects, whatever it is that the members want for their self-actualization and taking the club and the projects forward. And for the betterment of Rotary, I'm always there for you. We have developed a special bond over this year, and I hope to carry it lifelong. So thank you very much, and I wish you all the best.
Thank you for your inspiring word, and I will request Riverside to please put your hands together and give a big round of applause to Pandaviji for your all inspiration. And as far as your suggestions are concerned, all the three suggestions we have taken. One is about the exchange program, and other is about the 100% Pal Harris Fellow, and third is about the global grant project. As I mentioned, we have this stalwart like Bikramji. He knows everything, and this year he himself is chairing at district level. So we don't have challenge on that count. So we are working on that, and hopefully we will be able to complete that. And really, we are very grateful to you to join and inspire and guide us today as a AG District 3131. Yeah, thank you. Your suggestion for the presentation has also been taken. We will little modify for the DG visit and for 5th. Not taking much time now. I will. Nobody could be better than Niru ji to go for extending formal vote of thanks. So over to Niru ji to extend formal vote of thanks to our AG Pallavi Savli ji. Over to Niru ji. You are mute, Niru ji. Kindly unmute yourself.
Thank you, Colonel Mishra. For me, Pallavi is like my own family member, and I was really happy when I heard that Pallavi, you are the AG of our club, and I didn't know about it. I mean, this COVID time is crazy time, and many things we can miss. That is understandable. So I was really happy. Friends, what a phenomenal work she had done. in the year she was president of Rotary Downtown. It was really amazing. The amount of dedication and the passion with which she takes charge of all the projects is amazing. Here, I want to extend many, many good wishes to you, Pallavi, that you move on this genuine and worthy platform of Rotary, achieve great, greater heights year after year. We really need such people to hold the baton of Rotary high. AG visit is always a very important activity where we get valuable guidelines. We come to know about many small rectifications a club needs. So under the regulation of Rotary protocol, you have suggested many things, and we will take care of that. Uh, we are very happy to get your satisfactory remarks for our efforts this crazy year and all the compliments which you have given to us. And Colonel Mishra really deserved that. And we all have enjoyed his leadership in this year to the hilt. Your suggestion of ER-wise and NGS is a very nice suggestion, and we will try to work on it on that. Um, I will certainly take some advice on my global grant because I am not able to complete that because of COVID, but that is later. On behalf of Rotary Club of Pune Riverside, thank you very much for sparing your valuable time early morning, sharing your thoughts and guidelines about how to further go ahead. This will definitely give us more and more satisfaction on the path of service. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Most
Niruji.
welcome.
Yeah, thank you,
The
Niruji.
pleasure is all mine.
Yes, thank you, friends. Uh, at this moment, I can say only stay healthy, happy, safe, and blessed. One thing which I would like to request you all: second, coming next Wednesday, 2nd June, we are going to have a very blissful morning. That is the Sangeet Prayer. You must have heard. You have already heard. You know, uh, Pradeep ji and Prasanna ji was there, and I must have thank to Ganesh ji for connecting them, and both are amazing. And this program is for 90 minutes, 8:30 to 10. I will request very earnestly all of you. And it's not only for Riversiders. It's for the aunts, it's for the family. We have the license for 100. Please join in large number. Even you can invite the extended family members because such type of program is rare. Ganesh has been doing on another platform, IT platform, and so many others. But what he has, extended for Rotary Club Pune Riverside, it's amazing. Thank you so much, Ganesh, and on that day also, I will be looking forward. It will be a type of conversation from your side. You will be I will be handing over to you, and you will be going to have that 90 minutes how you want to. So that's my earnest request, please. And by tomorrow itself, in fact, we are going to circulate the Zoom meeting invite link. You can share with anyone, extended family, friends, relatives. But my request will be to please take your immediate family. They must be part of it. They must be part of it. And I will be most happy and most satisfied. And I will feel that you are going to honor my words. I want to make sure when these two stalwarts are there with Sangeet Praher. In fact, when I was talking to Pradeep ji, I referred that Ganesh ji has given the name something Bandhan like. So he said yes, जो गणेश जी ने दिया है बहुत अच्छा है, और हम उसी लाइन पे जाएंगे और इसका नाम चूंकि मॉर्निंग का है, इसमें कुछ भजन करेंगे, कुछ कीर्तन करेंगे, कुछ कव्वाली करेंगे, कुछ और भी चीजें करेंगे, कुछ लोगों की फरमाइश आएंगी, वो सारी चीजें करेंगे, तो इसका नाम हम देते हैं संगीत प्रहर. और संगीत प्रहर हैज बीन फाइनलाइज और वो आपके साथ आएगा. सो प्लीज डू ज्वाइन. पल्लवी मैम, आपको भी मैं इनवाइट करता हूँ, रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ, इफ यू कुड ज्वाइन इट वुड बी रियली ग्रेट. That is on Wednesday 2nd, 90 minutes program. So with these
Thank
words,
you.
with these words, once again thanking you all, and I'm very happy. See, particularly when there used to be, club assembly and the, board meeting, our strength used to be very less. But today I'm very happy it gone up to 19. I know some of the members are not there. So दिल से आप सबको, सारे लोगों को हम वंदन करते हैं, हम आपका अभिनंदन करते हैं, हम आपको नमस्कार करते हैं. और ये जरूर कहते हैं कि केवल सेकंड नहीं, 5th को डीजी विजिट है. I will respect all members. I will request all members. In fact, I am going to talk all members in person. कि कम से कम 35 के 35 मेंबर्स उस दिन होने चाहिए. सारे के सारे मेंबर्स होंगे, हमें बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. सो 2 डेट्स प्लीज ब्लॉक करिए, 2nd and 5th. बाकी के प्रोग्राम आपको 1st को मिल जाएंगे. 1st को आपका कैलेंडर आउट हो जाएगा. तो विद दीज वर्ड्स, पल्लवी जी, मेरे पास तो जैसे आपने कविता के साथ बंद किया, वैसे तो मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है कहने के लिए. बट एक चीज मैं आपको कहना चाहूंगा, आप जिनके करीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं. आप जिनके करीब होते हैं वो बड़े खुश नसीब होते हैं. आपका मिलना और आपसे मिलना किसको नसीब होता है, किसको नसीब होता है. विद दीज वर्ड्स, आई नीड योर परमिशन टू
Thank
end the meeting. Should I? Should I
Thank you.
end the meeting?
Yes.
Thank you,
Please
thank
do.
you, thank you, thank you,
Yes,
thank you,
Yes.
and
Please.
yeah, thank you everyone.
With a promise to meet again
Yes,
soon.
yes, we will meet
Yes,
again,
on the
and we will meet.
second.
Yes, we will be meeting again, and you have already said our association is not for this year. Our bonding is very strong, and we are going to meet lifelong on so many platforms,
Yes.
so many occasions. So
Certainly.
it's amazing and amazing. Your talk has been heart touching today. It's not only inspiring, it's not
Thank you.
motivating, it's not educating, it's heart touching also. So thank you for everything. So with your permission, should I end the meeting? पल्लवी जी?
जो पर
Yes,
ऑनलाइन में
please.
बोल रहे हो आवाज.
नहीं, इसमें हमने जानबूझ के रखा नहीं.
ओके, ठीक है.
हाँ, फॉर्मल है इसलिए हमने रखा नहीं उस चीज को. एनीवे पल्लवी जी, विद योर परमिशन, एजेंडे में नहीं था. हमारे दोनों ही यहाँ हैं, विक्रम जी हैं, तो आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट विक्रम जी, सो प्लीज जस्ट गो फॉर वन लाइनर. ओवर टू विक्रम जी.
Thank you, Colonel Mishra. And thank you to the AG for joining us today, Pallavi. So I think we should, when we talk about Rotary, the most important thing where we start is by giving, either giving money or giving time. So Mother Teresa said that no one has ever become poor by giving. And I'll leave you with that thought for the day.
Thank you, Vikram ji. And Pallavi ji, in fact, the tradition of Rotary Club Pune Riverside is morning we need some tonic, some booster dose, and for that booster dose we always go for one joke, and we have for that I would like to invite Rotarian Sandeep Best. So crack a joke, which will be booster dose for the day. So over to Sandeep ji.
Morning, everybody, and it was really lovely to see and hear Pallavi over here today, and it was a very inspiring talk, and reminiscing over all whatever we did over the last 1 year was also very fascinating. Anyway, coming to something which will put a smile on your face. So there was this parrot in Vatican City, and because of the number of people and the kind of people which used to visit over there, this parrot learned to speak many languages and learned to interact with people. And one day when he was just going around, he realized that there is an old phone stuck somewhere, and that phone has all kinds of facilities. This is an old one. And he realized that he could call up any part of the world and chat with people. So he started doing that one after another, and like he was a talker, it would never end. When the bill came, the priest was aghast. He said, "What is this?" And he says, "This guy has to be put to task." So they tie him to crucifix and put him in the dungeon. And there's only one small aperture over there from which the light is coming. And lo and behold, after a couple of hours, he sees a huge light appearing, and the Jesus Christ himself appear over there. So he says, who's you? So Jesus Christ says, I am Jesus Christ. Have you heard of me? He says, no. So why are you here? He says, I'm here to ease your pain. He says, okay. And where have you been? He says, I've been here with you all through. He says, in this dungeon? He says, yes. He says, how long? He says, 2021 years. He said, bloody hell, where have you been calling?
Thank you very much. So, Pallavi, can I end the
Sir.
meeting now? Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Or I can leave if you would like to chat something with the members. I can take everybody's
Yeah.
permission and leave now.
If anybody
Or can
wants to chat,
continue if you
yes,
would like
yes,
to talk to the
yes.
members.
It's your
Yeah, sure.
anybody.
So
If
thank you
anybody,
very much. Thank you, Riversiders. Have a good day, all of you. Thank you very much.
thank you,
Pleasure
thank you,
to be with
thank
all of
you, thank you, thank you. Jai Hind.